Okay, let's do a similar problem, but it has that extra number 2 at the front. So divide both by 2, cross that out, and then you're going to see that sine x is equal to negative root 3 over 2. Now, the previous example had cosine x equals a certain number. This time it is the sine value. So once again, let's recall that on the unit circle, cosine is the first number, sine is the second number. Also, let's recall that everything is positive in the first, sine is positive, tangent is positive, only cosine is positive in the fourth. Okay, so because sine is negative, I kind of know that I'm not going to consider my positive quadrants. My answers will be in the third and the fourth. So check, check. So I'm going to start looking for my numbers, two numbers in the third or the fourth, but recall that sine is the second number. So let's see, where do I get negative 3 over 2? Negative 3 over 2, as the second number is right there. And also there's another one, mirror image of that number. So there we go. On the unit circle, we got that final answer, 240 degrees, and also 300 degrees. Those are the two angles. That'll generate negative 3 root 3 over 2. Now, method number 2 is the calculator method. So we're going to go to that step. Sine x is negative root 3 over 2. And we're going to get the reference angle. Now, for the reference angle, I'm not going to type in that negative value because reference angle is always positive. So let's go 3 root or root 3. But on this calculator, I have to go in that order. And then I'm going to go inverse. Second function, sine, oh, something went wrong. Okay, let's try again. So 3 root, which is root 3, divide by 2, and then I need to go second function, sine, there we go. So it's 60 degrees, 59.99999. I'm gonna use x value, the reference angle, to be 60 degrees, and then you have to sketch that reference angle in the right quadrants that we talked about. So the answers will be in the third and in the fourth, mainly because of the negative sign right there. Sign has to be negative. So we sketch the reference angles and then measure everything from 0. So x1, the first angle is going to be 240 degrees. How did I get that? 180 plus 60. x2, second angle, is going to be not quite full 360, but you need to go down by 60. So that'll be 360 minus 60 degrees. So that'll be 300 degrees. So as you can see, these two angles are matching the first unit circle answers that we got.